Africa Content TV.
See, he has his bandana always. Lyrical machine gun that will shoot on any mother F. Let's be careful of what we say. I am getting some ginger by the son of the greatest professor of magic. I'm getting some ginger by the dawn of entertainment. I'm getting some ginger by the king of nightlife. As I'm saying, he's giving me a backup vocal from behind. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you all to listen attentively. I'm about to read the biography of Obesere. Your attention is needed. Alhaji Abbas Akande Obesere, born on the 28th of January 1965 in Ibadan, Nigeria, is one of the most influential figures in the Fuji music industry. Raised in a Yoruba family, Obesere grew up immersed in Yoruba culture, which heavily influenced his music. He attended St. Paul's Primary School in Ebute-Metta, Lagos, moved to Jubril Martin Secondary School in Ebute-Metta, where he did his secondary school education. His early years spent in Ebute-Metta, Lagos. He was exposed to a vibrant culture, artistic environment that shaped his creative pursuit. Obesere's ability to blend urban experience with traditional Yoruba storytelling became a defining aspect of his artistry. Musical career and style. Alhaji Abbas Akande Obesere began his career in the Fuji sector at a time when the genre was dominated by artistic human beings, artistic, respected people such as Ayinde Barrister and a few others. Despite the stiff competition, he carved out a niche for himself by developing a unique style which he termed as Shakasha. Known for his raw and often provocative lyrics, Ashakasha brought a fresh and edgy feel to Fuji music, resonating with fans across different demographics. Obesere's kindness and playful attitude was used to make him stand out in the industry, earning him the nickname like Omorapala, Tosibe, which have become a synonymous name with his bold and unapologetic persona. Everyone be careful. Everyone be careful. Everyone be careful. One of Obesere's most iconic songs first gained popularity in the early 2000s. The track, with its catchy rhythm and playful warning to avoid trouble, came a national anthem. It became a cult anthem. Its timeless appeal saw a massive appeal in 2020 when social media platform brought it to the attention of a younger audience, and it became a challenge on viral videos. It helped propel the song back into the spotlight, transforming it into a global phenomenon in the industry. This renewed fame resulted to a remix and a collaboration with Sultan Ibina, further solidifying the song and the relevance in modern Nigerian music. Contribution and legacy, ladies and gentlemen. Obesere has played an instrumental role in redefining Fuji music, bridging the gap between traditional Yoruba music, forms and contemporary trends by incorporating humor, social commentary and modern production techniques in the brand of music he plays. His influence has not only inspired young Fuji artists, but also contributed to the global recognition of Nigerian indigenous music. Obesere has been impacting the society with his musical career and style, and he has been doing it for a very long time. Some of the albums include Introduction, Mr. Magic, Odua, Diplomacy, Elegance, Live in Europe, Ashakasha, OPTK, Mr. Teacher, Omorapala Overthrow, American Faji Series 1 and 2, Mr. Teacher, His Excellency, Egungun Be Careful, Old School Lapel, Apple Juice, About Efizi, Confirmation, New Face, Bitter Truth, Number 1, Olongo Dance, London Alert, Champion of Dublin, and many more. Ladies and gentlemen, he has featured with so many young generation artists, including Zlatan, Olamide, Aloba Fresh, Reminisce, Nice, Orisha Femi, and many other top-notch artists. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are celebrating the paramount ruler. Today we are celebrating an enigma. Today we are celebrating a teacher. Today we are celebrating a ruler. Today we are celebrating an impactful human being. Ladies and gentlemen, please do me a favor. Can you all be upstanding and put your hands together for the paramount king of Fuji music? Please put your hands together for him, ladies and gentlemen. Your hands together. A standing ovation, please. Everybody be upstanding. Let's celebrate it. A standing ovation. A standing ovation.